Building a strong UI is essential to building a strong application. Recently, I spoke with Jacky, who is working as a project manager on a team in Taiwan developing solutions for factory security and HR system. Designing a powerful and user-friendly UI wasn't easy. Their team faced skill gaps, making it hard to execute their vision. They needed a tool that was not just easy to use, but also flexible enough to work across multiple platforms. That's when they discovered Syncfusion. With Syncfusion's Blazor components, they were able to create a more polished and user-friendly UI that their customers loved. And the best part? It wasn't just good looking. Syncfusion's features made all the difference. It was easy to integrate and worked seamlessly across web, mobile, and desktop platforms. With Syncfusion, Jacky's team closed the skill gap and built the UI they needed quickly and efficiently. And with Syncfusion's trusted support team, they had expert guidance every step of the way. Need a UI that is powerful, flexible, and easy to build? Syncfusion has you covered. Want the full story? Check out Jacky's journey on the Syncfusion case study page.